Hello again, this is Joseph Guagenti with KB1 Pro, and welcome to KB Mapper, the magic behind KB Data Transporter. If you have not yet watched the video on the e-commerce solution for SAP Business One using Drupal and UberCart, please watch that video first, and this one will make more sense. Now let's get into the KB Mapper. These are the maps that are generated for use in the KB Data Transporter. And as you can see, this here is our SAP Business Object items. And our criteria that we had set up in the previous video, where the cell item is equal to yes, the warehouse is 01, and the pricing is 1. On this side we have the destination, which is the website that is using UberCart and Drupal. And on the source side we have the individual fields that are in SAP Business One, including user-defined fields. It automatically grabs the information for those fields to be used in the source or the destination to be mapped back and forth between the two. Inside of the properties field, outside of the header, is our individual fields inside of, in this case, SAP Business One object items, and we get the information from those as to whether or not it's a primary key, and that's why we highlight them, so we know what it is that we may need to update, both on the source and the destination side. If a field is mapped, we kind of highlight it so we can see where it is mapped to. We have variable functionality, so we can take information from the node and put it into a variable, and we can store it into a variable, and then we can use that information to populate additional information on either the source or the destination side. So to map, it's as easy as clicking on a field, clicking on a destination, and say map. Now those two fields are linked together and mapped. When we go ahead and produce the information, if we do a simulation like we did in the last demonstration, we can see that the information that's now being mapped at the node level, and the functionality that will take place when we move the data from the source to the destination, whether it be an insert or an update. The system handles that. We can also get some sample data, so we can see what it is that we're mapping from or to. So we can look at those individual fields. If we look at that was on the node side, for the destination, and if we take a look at the item master in SAP, we can go ahead and get information from there as well. And as you can see, we're grabbing this information, and if we look at the end, we can take a look and see that we are also have a user-defined field, KB1, that we have put some information into. We take a look at that. So we define a user-defined field that has this information, and that information is being gathered and used to populate this field as well. So it's able to get data from the standard SAP fields or from user-defined fields. That is the mapping from and to, from a source to a destination. There's additional information that we have at the field level, which we have special plugin functionality, validation. We can use the mapping functionality. We can use a default value, mapping if, use a default value if the mapping is null. So we have a lot of flexibility in this application to massage the data before it actually reaches the destination. So we can replace individual strings with additional information. And like I said, the plugin functionality is just a very, very powerful tool. It allows us to write plugins outside of the application to meet individual needs. In this case, we have several functionalities that we, convert a string to decimal or to money. We can trim it so that we don't have any white spaces. We can get time, or we can get data directly from SQL or MySQL and use that data to populate the information inside the node. So very powerful stuff when it comes to mapping data. But the nice thing about it is that the application is, once, and the maps are what drives everything else. So with that, I thank you for watching this short video on the KB Mapper. We will be going over each and every one of or most of the functionality that's inside of the properties tab, and that will be, demonstrating the use of the different drop-down functionality for validation. We'll even show the plugins and writing plugins. So please look forward to watching those videos as well, and I will enjoy producing them. I thank you for your time, and if you need any more information, please visit our website at kb1pro.com. You can email us at info@kb1pro.com, and you can Skype us as well at kb1pro. And then there's the landline if you wish. I thank you once again for your time, and have a great day.